A judgment is fully satisfied when the debtor pays everything they owe, principal, interest, costs, and fees. At that point, the creditor has specific legal obligations to release the judgment and discharge any liens. Understanding these obligations and the consequences of failing to meet them is important for judgment creditors. The satisfaction of judgment. When payment is received in full, the creditor must file a satisfaction of judgment, also called an acknowledgment of satisfaction of judgment, with the court that entered the judgment. This court filing officially records that the judgment has been paid and is no longer enforceable. In California, the satisfaction must be filed within 15 days of receiving written demand from the debtor after full payment. Failing to file within this period exposes the creditor to liability for damages, attorney fees, and a $100 penalty. Release of judgment liens. A recorded judgment line on real estate must be separately released when the judgment is satisfied. Simply filing a satisfaction of judgment with the court doesn't automatically clear the title. The lien record with the county recorder must be released through a separate recorded document. The release of lien is typically accomplished by recording a certified copy of the court's satisfaction of judgment with the county recorder, or by the creditor executing and recording a separate release of lien document. Without this step, the lien remains as a cloud on title even after the debt is paid. Title company concerns. When a property owner is trying to sell or refinance, an unreleased judgment lien is a title defect that prevents closing. Title companies will require a recorded release before ensuring title. Creditors who delay releasing liens can be held liable for damages caused by the delay. Partial satisfaction and payment plans. If the debtor pays a portion of the judgment pursuant to a stipulated payment plan, a partial satisfaction can be filed to show the current balance, useful for updating the lien amount in property records. People Locator. Skip tracing assists creditors in monitoring judgment payment compliance and locating debtors who have agreed to payment plans but fallen behind. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.